Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove shadow in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to remove the shadow from your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. And now, click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to edit. Now, from this photo, I'm going to remove one of the shadows. So to do that, simply click on Tools and select the healing option right here. Now zoom in and select the shadow that you don't want in the photo. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the shadow from our photo. Once you're happy, simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we can remove shadows from our photo in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.